Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba Kajala, Uba Preston Tinsong, Uloong Baka Anhi Kansale, Laka Jong Kamram, Halor Ophisar Pulit Uba Gabriel Yang Rai, Jingshahkem Haki Pulit ka Anti-Corruption Branch. Haka Jingkran Batkilar Pathai Kubor, Uba Preston Uloong Ba Uba Yang Rai, Unsangat Ru Haka Jingshah Sospan, Hadien Ralap Ba Ulale Yakababakla.
See, I have no views at all. I have no opinion at all. Because see, we are being guided by the law, by the rules. So accordingly, law prevails, and then let the law take its own course. Well, the next move is the office procedures is there. Ultimately, we have no option. Once it is arrested, then we have to go for suspension. That is there. Okay? We have to go for suspension, and then ultimately let the law, as I said, to proceed further till the final conclusion is arrived. Then we will see what is to be done. I think you need to understand one thing: since action has been taken by the concerned department, means no more this arrest, and next the procedures is in place. So let the law enforcing agency take care of everything, and then we'll see, as I said too. Because see, ultimately now, because this issue has come also in the High Court, where I think ultimately everything will be there, black and white, and transparency also will be there, black and white.